Tired of juggling multiple messaging platforms and missing important customer interactions? Let's dive into a quick tutorial on how to send messages using Aisensy, making customer communication a breeze. First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll land on the main dashboard, the central hub for managing your messaging. Next, navigate to the Contacts tab. This is where you'll find all your customer contacts neatly organized. If you need to add a new contact, simply click the New Contact button and enter their details, including their phone number, which is crucial for sending messages. Now, to send a message, click on the contact you want to reach out to. This will open their profile. Look for the message icon, usually a speech bubble, next to their name or number. Click it. This will open the messaging interface. Here, you can type your message in the text input field at the bottom. Need to send an image, document, or other file? Look for the attachment icon, typically a paperclip, and select the file you want to share. Once your message is ready, simply click the send button, and boom, your message is on its way. Aisensy allows you to track your sent messages and manage responses directly within the platform, keeping all your customer communications in one convenient place. Now you can connect seamlessly